Okay, so get this. There's a van from Canada. I'm trying not to talk too loud so they don't see me. But the family's riding in the back. There's a guy driving, but there's a fucking dog sitting shotgun. And I'm gonna show you guys in a second. So, yeah, absolutely. No, I'm at the BP. Yep. Kind of by the Bob Evans. Yeah. By the Bob Evans. Yes. Yeah. Look, see him looking at him? It's just crazy. Okay. I don't know where they're coming from, but they gotta be either coming from Canada or going back to Canada, but they're letting the dog ride in the front seat. Have you ever seen some shit like that? If you have, please comment below, because I don't even know. All right, peace.